So which sauce is this, my friend?
This is pumpkin sauce with garlic, chili, and rosemary. Oh my man, that's gonna taste so good. I'm gonna cook with this beautiful pasta, curly pasta. Look, that's already inside here. And then toss them inside, drizzle olive oil, bit of parmesan. Hallelujah! And then we...
Wow.
Oh yes. Lot of parmesan on top now. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Look at this beautiful parmesan. Let's do it. I wanted the steam out of this one. Oh, yeah, Danny, look at that.
Unbelievable and so simple.
Something.
Talk me through it, Gennaro.
All right, it's pumpkins, chili, garlic, and rosemary with a lovely grate of parmesan. Look, you got this nice, massive chili on top.
Seeds and all. Seeds and all.
Everything.
Amazing.
You will love it, shall we?
Beautiful comfort dish for winter, the bad weather we're having here. A little bit bad weather, but how delicious does this look?
Any time of the year you can do it. Arrivederci.
Ciao.